Welcome back. In the previous steps, we were talking a lot about one-to-one relationships. Now, let's shift our attention to something called a one-to-many or many-to-one relationship. Let's start with a simple example. You have a course. I have course 10,001, 10,002, 10,003, JPA in 50 steps, Spring in 50 steps, and Spring Boot in 50 steps. Very kind of courses. And these courses have reviews from the students. So you have these reviews that we have stored until now, right? So rating is 5, great course. 4, wonderful course. 5, awesome course. The thing is, there is a relationship between this course and the reviews. These reviews are for a specific course. So if you look at this review, this is for a specific course. Let's say this is the review for a course JPA in 50 steps. And this is also the review for the course JPA in 50 steps. Let's say this is the review for course Spring Boot in 100 steps. You can see that when I look it from this perspective, the JPA in 50 steps has two reviews present in here. So the two reviews are 50,001 and 50,002. Spring Boot in 100 steps has one review present. And the other course which is present in here, which is Spring in 50 steps, does not have any reviews yet. Each course can have multiple reviews or no reviews present. So it's kind of a 0 to n relationship. So from the perspective of course, you can have 0 to n reviews. However, when I create a review, the review should be associated with a course. Without a course that is associated with the review does not really make sense. What is this review for? I have no idea what the review is for until I have something storing which course it is mapping to. In database design, we will use IDs, the keys, to map the relationship. So we will not use the names to map the relationships. The first question to answer is, how do I store the fact that this review is associated with a specific course? Should I put a course ID in here, or would it be possible for me to have a review ID in here? Which should be the option to take? That's the first question we will discuss in this specific video. For this course, right now there are two reviews, right? So which ones? These two. So if I have a review ID column, can I store the values in here? Nope, that's not possible because this review IDs will now have two values in there. So I have 50,001 and 50,002. That's not good database design, right? So that's not cool at all. So having review ID here is not possible, or it's not a good design at all. So the best possible design for many-to-one relationships is to go to the one side. So this is the one side of the relationship. One review is associated with one course. So I'll go here and I will add a column called course ID. So this course ID is what we will use to store the relationship between the course and the review. So this review is associated with only one course. So I can have a course ID specifying which course this review is associated with. Now which reviews? So it's 10,001, 10,001, and the last one is Spring Boot in 100 steps, and it's 10,003. That's cool. Now I don't really need this stuff anymore because now we are using an ID to link these up. So now we have two reviews for this course, no reviews for this course, and we have one review for this course. In this step, we quickly discuss the database design that we would want to use for many-to-one relationship. However, this database design which we have in here on paper or on the spreadsheet is not really translated to our entities. In the next step, we will look at how to map this in our entities. Until then, bye-bye.